The BMW X3 G01, produced from 2017 to 2024, marked the third generation of this popular compact luxury SUV. It offered a blend of sporty driving dynamics, premium interior features, and versatile cargo space that appealed to American families and enthusiasts alike. While it earned praise for its refined handling and powerful engine options, reliability concerns have been a common topic among owners, especially for used models with higher mileage. When considering a pre-owned BMW X3 from this era, understanding its overall dependability is crucial. According to data from sources like JD Power and Consumer Reports, the G01 X3 scores around average for luxury compact SUVs with a reliability rating of about 3 out of 5. This means it's not as bulletproof as a Toyota RAV4, but it holds up better than some European rivals if properly maintained. One of the standout positives is the engine lineup. The base 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder in the S-Drive 30i and X-Drive 30i models delivers 248 horsepower and is generally robust, often lasting over 150,000 miles with regular oil changes. The optional 3.0-liter inline-six in the M40i variant, producing 355 horsepower, is a thrill but demands premium fuel and vigilant upkeep to avoid carbon buildup issues. However, early 2017-2018 models have faced scrutiny for timing chain problems. Some owners reported rattles or failures around 80,000 miles, leading to costly repairs estimated at $3,000 to $5,000. BMW issued service bulletins, but checking service history is essential for any used X3 to ensure the chain was inspected or replaced. Transmission reliability is another strong suit. The 8-speed ZF automatic, standard across the lineup, is smooth and durable, with few widespread complaints. That said, software glitches or harsh shifting can occur in higher mileage examples, often fixed with a $200 to $500 update at a dealership. Suspension components deserve attention in used G01 X3s. The adaptive dampers in X-Drive models wear out faster on rough American roads, causing clunks or uneven ride quality by 60,000 miles. Bushings and control arms typically need replacement around $1, $500 to $2, $500, more frequently if the vehicle has seen pothole-heavy urban driving. Electrical gremlins pop up occasionally, particularly with the infotainment system. The iDrive interface, while intuitive, can suffer from screen freezes or connectivity issues with Apple CarPlay in 2018 to 2020 models. Battery drain from faulty modules has been noted, costing $300 to $800 to diagnose and fix. Cooling system failures are a notable weak point. Water pumps and thermostats on the B48 and B58 engines can leak or fail prematurely, especially in hot climates like those in the Southwest. U.S. repairs run $1,000 to $2,000, and ignoring warning lights can lead to overheating damage. Oil leaks are common in the G01 X3, often from valve cover gaskets or oil filter housings. These start as minor drips but can escalate, with fixes averaging $800 to $1, $500. Regular inspections during oil changes help catch them early, as BMW recommends service every 10,000 miles. For diesel variants like the X-Drive 20D, which were less common in the US but available in some imports, particulate filter clogs pose risks if the car wasn't driven on highways regularly. However, most American buyers stuck to gasoline engines, avoiding AdBlue system complications. Brake issues arise from the heavy use in stop-and-go traffic. Rotors and pads wear quickly, with full jobs costing $1, $200 to $2,000 every 40,000 miles. Upgrading to performance pads can extend life but increases dust on wheels. Interior quality is a highlight, with durable leatherette and real leather options holding up well. However, sunroof drains can clog, leading to water leaks into the headliner, a $500 repair that's preventable with annual cleaning. Fuel economy varies, with the 2.0-liter averaging 25 to 28 mpg combined in real-world US driving. The M40i dips to 22 to 25 mpg, but both benefit from efficient turbo tech. Watch for turbocharger failures and neglected examples, a $2, $500 to $4,000 headache around 100,000 miles. When buying a used 2017 to 2024 X3, aim for models from 2019 onward as BMW refined early quirks. Expect to pay $25,000 to $35,000 for a 2019 xDrive 30i with 50,000 miles, while 2022 examples fetch $40,000 to $50,000. Certified pre-owned programs add warranty peace of mind for $1,000 to $2,000 extra. Maintenance costs are higher than average, averaging $1.200 annually per repair pal data. Oil changes run $150 to $250, and major services like spark plugs hit $600. Budget for these, as skipping them accelerates problems. Tire wear is aggressive due to the X3's sporty setup. All-season tires last 30,000 to 40,000 miles, costing $800 to $1,200 for a set of premium rubber like Michelin's. Safety ratings are excellent, with the IIHS awarding top safety pick status for most years. Standard features like forward collision warning and blind spot monitoring reduce accident risks, but older models may lack the latest adaptive cruise. Off-road capability is modest, with xDrive all-wheel drive handling light trails fine. However, underbody protection wears on gravel roads, leading to $1,000 rust repairs in salty winter states. Resale value remains strong, with a 2017 X3 retaining about 50% of its value after 5 years. This makes it a smart used buy if you prioritize driving fun over low upkeep. Common owner complaints center on dealer service costs. Independent BMW specialists can save 30 to 50% on repairs, but ensure they use OEM parts for warranty validity. For high-mileage X3s over 100,000 miles, inspect the transfer case in xDrive models. Fluid changes every 50,000 miles prevent $2,000 failures. The G01 X3's aluminum-intensive body resists corrosion better than predecessors, but check undercarriage in rust belt areas. Hybrid options like the xDrive 30e plug-in arrived in 2021, offering 20 miles of electric range. Battery degradation is minimal so far, but charging port issues cost $400 to fix. In summary, the 2017-2024 BMW Extension 3 G01 is a reliable choice for used buyers who enjoy its athleticism, provided they select well-maintained examples and plan for premium ownership costs. With diligent care, it can deliver 200,000 miles of enjoyable driving across America's diverse roads. If you're eyeing one, a thorough pre-purchase inspection by a BMW expert is non-negotiable.